In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error message that says, you cannot shrink a volume beyond the point where unmovable files are located. So, if you're trying to shrink one of the drives on your computer, but Windows only allows you to shrink it by a few thousand megabytes, here's how you can fix it. First, close this window for a moment. Then open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt opens, type the following command: powerc.exe/hibernate off. Then press Enter. After running the command, you can close the command prompt window. Next, open the Start menu again and search for Advanced System Settings. Click on View Advanced System Settings. Under the Performance section, click Settings. Then go to the Advanced tab at the top. Under Virtual Memory, click Change. Now, uncheck the option that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select the drive you want to modify, choose No Paging File, and then click Set. You may see a warning message asking you to confirm this change. Click Yes, then click OK. Windows will tell you that you need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. For now, click OK, then select Apply and OK. Next, go to the System Protection tab. Select your C drive from the list and click Configure. Under Restore Settings, select Disable System Protection, then click Apply and OK. If you see a confirmation message, click Yes, then confirm it again if prompted. Once that's done, click OK and close the remaining windows. Now, you'll need to restart your computer so all of these changes can take effect. Go ahead and restart your PC. After your computer starts back up, open Disk Management again and try shrinking the drive. As you can see, Windows now allows us to shrink the drive by a much larger amount of space than before. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you fix the problem, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.